Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in earthquake insurance with California Earthquake Authority step by step clearly. To invest in earthquake insurance with the California Earthquake Authority, start by assessing your needs. Determine if you live in an area susceptible to earthquakes. Research the basics of earthquake insurance and understand its importance. Visit the California Earthquake Authority's official website. Navigate to the insurance section for information on available policies. Familiarize yourself with the coverage options offered. Consider your home's value and assets to determine the level of coverage needed. Use the online calculator provided by the California Earthquake Authority to estimate your premium. Review the terms and conditions of various policies. Reach out to a licensed insurance agent for personalized advice. Ask questions about the policy details and claims process. Compare quotes from different insurance providers to ensure you get the best deal. Select the policy that best fits your financial situation and needs. Fill out the application form accurately with all required information. Submit the application and any necessary documentation. Keep a copy of your application for your records. Once approved, pay your premium to activate your coverage. Review your policy once more to ensure it meets your expectations. Stay informed about any updates or changes to your coverage. Regularly reassess your insurance needs, especially after significant life events. Maintaining earthquake insurance is crucial for financial protection in California. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.